Today I am reviewing the MALLRACE 2026 Lite gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When you are looking for a new laptop, finding that ideal sweet spot between high-end processing power, everyday affordability, and capable graphics performance can feel like an impossible task. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the MALLRACE 2026 Lite gaming laptop. This specific machine is drawing a lot of attention because it pairs a heavy-duty AMD Ryzen 7 8-core processor with a generous 16 GB of RAM, a 512 GB solid-state drive, and built-in AMD Radeon graphics. In this review, we will break down exactly how this laptop handles everyday productivity, creative content creation, and entry-level gaming to help you decide if it is the right upgrade for your daily setup. To truly understand what makes this laptop stand out from the crowd, we need to talk about the sheer processing power under the hood. At the heart of this machine is the AMD Ryzen 750-700U processor. This chip is an absolute performance beast, boasting 8 physical cores and 16 processing threads, running at a boost clock speed of up to 4.3 GHz. To put that into perspective, this processor routinely outperforms popular competitive chips like the Core i7-1265U. Because it is built on AMD's highly efficient Zen 2 architecture, it delivers a massive 35% performance boost over previous generations. What this means for you in the real world is effortless, fluid multitasking. You can smoothly run intense photo and video editing software like Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and Illustrator, or manage massive, data-heavy business spreadsheets while keeping dozens of research tabs open in your web browser. The laptop handles complex workflows without breaking a sweat, dropping a single frame, or lagging. Memory and storage configuration play a massive role in that snappy user experience. This model comes equipped with 16 GB of high-speed DDR4 memory. One of the absolute best features of this laptop is that the memory is fully upgradable all the way up to 64 GB. This gives you a fantastic level of future-proofing that is incredibly rare to find in this price tier. Paired with the RAM is a 512 GB NVMe solid-state drive, which handles your files and operating system with lightning speed. The laptop boots up into Windows in just a matter of seconds, and applications launch the exact moment you click on them. Just like the memory, the storage is also highly expandable, supporting up to a massive 2 TB of solid-state storage. You will never have to worry about running out of space for your expanding digital library of games, projects, movies, and documentation. Now let's talk about entertainment and gaming capabilities. This laptop features integrated AMD Radeon graphics, which drive a gorgeous 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display. Because it uses an IPS panel, you get incredibly rich colors, sharp contrast, and ultra-wide viewing angles. This makes the screen absolutely perfect for streaming high-definition movies, editing multimedia projects, or hopping into an online match. While it is classified as a light gaming laptop rather than a heavy, thick gaming rig, it delivers incredibly smooth, highly playable frame rates on popular competitive titles. You can easily jump into Counter-Strike, PUBG, Dota 2, and League of Legends and enjoy highly responsive gameplay. It provides a phenomenal, immersive entertainment experience that easily doubles as a high-powered creative canvas during your working hours. Connectivity is another area where MALLRACE did not cut any corners. The laptop is loaded with a comprehensive selection of physical ports, including 3 high-speed USB 3.2 ports, a dedicated HDMI port for external monitors, a handy TF card slot, and a full-function Type-C port that handles both high-speed data transfers and display outputs. For wireless networking, it features built-in Wi-Fi 6 technology. Wi-Fi 6 delivers wireless internet speeds up to 3 times faster than older Wi-Fi 5 standards, while significantly lowering latency and improving connection stability. Whether you are running a high-stakes business video call on the built-in HD webcam, downloading a massive game file, or streaming 4K video, your wireless connection remains rock solid and incredibly reliable. Finally, a portable machine is only useful if it can actually survive away from a wall outlet. MALLRACE packed a high-capacity 54.72 watt-hour battery inside this laptop. Paired with the highly intelligent energy management system of the Ryzen 7 processor, this laptop delivers excellent, all-day endurance for mobile productivity and travel. And when you finally do need to plug back in, the laptop features fast charging support that juices the battery completely back up to 100% in just 2.5 to 3 hours. To wrap everything up, the MALLRACE 2026 Lite gaming laptop is an incredibly well-rounded, versatile machine. By combining an ultra-powerful 8-core Ryzen 7 processor with upgradable memory, lightning-fast NVMe storage, stunning IPS visuals, and ultra-fast Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, they have built a machine that handles business, education, content creation, and casual gaming with ease. If you want a dependable, future-proof laptop that delivers premium performance without demanding a premium price tag, this MALLRACE laptop is an exceptional choice that will serve you incredibly well for years to come.